Okay, hello and welcome my friend, and then this information video that what is wrong in my car and this clutch area when I insert my clutch in on position or off position, and then I can hear something sound what makes me not happy. It is like bad sound. And what is then wrong in this my clutch area? If I hear something moving new sound in my gearbox and clutch area. Okay, the issue is this clutch pressure plate bearing, and here I have one bad bearing, and this bearing keeps that kind of sound when it became old. Listen. And this is not good sound if bearing keeps that kind of sound, and it means that this sound is little bit damaged. It is not totally dead, but there is this new bad sound, and it means that within couple of years that bearing it can go broken and became totally bad. And we need to only replace that this pressure plate bearing, and then this sound is off. Listen, this is this sound. And when there is this force, it is easy to hear because it makes even higher sound. And normally this bearing is silent. Okay, and what is then normal silent pressure plate bearing? There's I have second gearbox, and this is now Toyota's gearbox, and this first one it was Nissan. But normally Nissan parts last at least this 100,000 kilometers or 70,000 miles, and then there is then this Toyota's pressure plate, and Toyota's part lasts normally this two times longer, like this, something like 200,000 kilometers this pressure plate bearing, or 150,000 miles. And now when we listen that my Poké pressure plate bearing, it is silent. Look, there is no any sound, and it is quite tight. It is don't move all time. It is quite tight, this bearing. And this pressure plate bearing is okay. And we need to only replace that bearing in same time when we replace this clutch. Okay, it's good to that kind of information. Okay, and thank you for watching.